have an exciting unboxing I'd like to share with you. I haven't unboxed in a while, so if you want to see what that is, guys, keep on watching. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, especially from Louis Vuitton. If you're interested in seeing what that is, guys, keep on watching. Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. I want to thank you for stopping by. I greatly appreciate you watching my video. So the video today, guys, is going to be, like I said, something from Louis Vuitton. So let's go ahead, guys, and open it up. So I went downtown to the Louis Vuitton just to have a look in my area. Wasn't expecting to purchase anything, but when I saw this, I knew I had to have it. There is the Louis Vuitton box. There's what it looks like inside the box. She included a gift bag for me, and it came packaged, guys, the standard Louis Vuitton box and blue ribbon. Any guesses, guys, to what this item might be? I did see it online. I did see a couple people that had unboxed it. I thought it was really cute. Wasn't quite sure if that was something that I wanted. So I did go downtown, like I said, in my area. They did have a couple new pieces, but those items, unfortunately, are not ones that I was interested in purchasing. So let's go ahead, guys, and take the ribbon off. Any guesses to what this item could possibly be? Let me go ahead and put the box down. There is the dust bag, guys. There is my proof of purchase. Are you guys ready to see which item I purchased? Comes in the standard dust bag. I don't know why they don't have more of the drawstring bags, because these ones, I don't know, over time they flop and everything else. It's just a bit of a hassle. Are you ready, guys? Here is what I purchased. Is this not the cutest little bag, guys? It is the Speedy 20 in the Damier Ebene. I love this pattern. This is my favorite pattern of all the Louis Vuitton prints. There is a close-up, guys. What's your opinion on the Speedy 20? And what is your favorite print? Do you like the monogram? Do you like the azure? Or do you like the Damier Ebene? This would be really nice, a 20 in the azure. Let's go ahead, guys, and open her up. And I really like how the zipper comes down a little further compared to the other Speedies where they just stop right here. And I do like the gorgeous red interior. Let's go ahead, guys, and take out the crossbody strap. Here is the strap, guys. I'm not a big fan of this really thick strap. What's your thoughts, guys? But it is in a really nice two-tone color there. It is the adjustable, where you can do it tighter or looser. It feels a little heavy, and it's probably going to be way too bulky for myself. It does have the little dust bag that has the keys for the lock. The lock is already on the bag itself. It does have the two D-rings there so that you can put the strap on, or you can carry it handheld. and it fits through for me to carry it on my arm, but I'm 5'2", and I just love this little bag so far, guys. What do you think? Let's go ahead and take a look inside. It does have, like I said, the gorgeous red interior with one slip pocket there. And I will give you the information. It does have the textile cards. There is the item number if you are interested, guys. There is the price, and this is in the Canadian dollars. So as you can see, that is quite pricey. It is over $3,000 Canadian for this little bag. What are your thoughts on that? Do you think that the prices are a little steep for something as small as the 20 Speedy Damier Ebene? This one, on this particular one, I'm not quite sure where it was made. I know a lot of them, I was told, are from the US now. It's hard to get them from France. I'm going to do a mod shot, guys, and show you what it looks like with the strap on. I want to show you what it looks like on my frame. I really do not like this shoulder strap. I know you can adjust it a little longer, but then it would ride directly down further on my hip. I really do not like it to wear it like this, guys. Let me go ahead and remove it. So the only way that I would possibly carry it would be like this, which is top handle. And it's really not that comfortable like this. The only way I would carry this bag, guys, is top handle. I do not like the strap at all. I find it very heavy, very cumbersome for somebody of my height. And that's just my thoughts. That's just my opinion, just my preference. There's what it looks like with the thinner strap from my Alma. I think it looks a lot better. I really don't like how it sits on the hip like that. Feels a little bulky. And with this particular strap, it is not adjustable. So I wanted to do a comparison from the Speedy 20 that I just purchased with the Speedy 25. You can see there is a big difference in size. There is the side view. There is the profile in the front. There is the bottom. So you can see there is a dramatic difference in the sizes, but it's such an iconic, pretty little bag. Leave me a comment below telling me if you do have this bag, what your pros and cons are, if you're deciding to keep it, if it fits your lifestyle. I think it's really cute, but I'm still on the fence, guys. I cannot make up my mind what I want to do, keep it or send her back. So that's the video today, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please click the notification bell. Follow me over on Instagram at Jandle Smith. Till next time, guys, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Take care.